Let me ask you something honestly. Do you ever feel like you wake up tired? You open your phone without thinking. You promise yourself from tomorrow I'll change. But tomorrow comes and nothing changes? You're not failing. You're not broken. You're trapped. And the worst part, you don't even know what cage you're inside. Stay till the end. Because what I'm about to tell you might explain your entire life. There's a prison nobody warns you about. It has Wi-Fi, food, entertainment, a bed, a routine. It's called the Comfort Prison. Let me tell you a story. There was a boy, not poor, not rich, not stupid, not genius, just average. He went to school, came home, scrolled, watched videos, dreamed big at night. Doctor, rich, successful, powerful. But in the morning, he chose comfort again. Not because he was lazy, because comfort feels safe. And slowly, days became months, months became years. His dreams stayed the same size, but his fear grew bigger. Fear of trying, fear of failing, fear of starting. This is where most people get stuck. Not because life is hard, but because comfort makes you forget your potential. So, how do you escape this prison? Not by doing something big, but by doing something uncomfortable on purpose. One rule every day: choose one hard thing. Study when you don't feel like it, train when you feel lazy, create when you want to scroll, speak when you want to hide. Because comfort weakens you, discomfort trains you. You don't break the prison in one day. You make a hole in the wall every single day, and slowly you don't feel trapped anymore. You feel alive. But here comes the second problem. You escaped comfort. You start waking up early. You start working on your goals. But suddenly, your focus dies. You sit to study. Phone vibrates. You check one message. 30 minutes gone. You sit to work. You open YouTube. One video becomes 10. You go to sleep late. You wake up tired. And your discipline starts dying again. This is not weakness. This is dopamine slavery. Your brain is being trained to want easy pleasure, fast reward, zero effort. So real life feels boring, slow, hard. Not because life is boring, but because your brain is overstimulated. This is why even strong people fail. Not because they lack goals, but because they lack control over attention. Now, listen carefully. Your real enemy is not your parents, your past, your situation, your money, your school, your luck. Your enemy is comfort, distraction, delay. Comfort says relax. Distraction says scroll. Delay says tomorrow. And together, they steal your life silently. You don't lose life in one mistake. You lose it in small repeats. But here is the good news. The same way habits destroyed you, habits can rebuild you. One uncomfortable choice, one focused hour, one disciplined day. That's how normal people become dangerous. If this video felt like it was talking about you, that's not an accident. That means you're ready. And this channel is for people who don't want average, don't want excuses, don't want comfort forever. Subscribe, not for motivation. Subscribe for mindset, discipline, and transformation. Because I don't want viewers, I want warriors. And the next video will teach you exactly how to rebuild your life step by step. So don't disappear. Join the journey. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You were just trained wrong. Now, it's time to train yourself right.